Yeah.
There's no fun in eating fried chicken without drinking soda.
This is correct.
Alright? Cheers up. Digging.
Yes, this is the legal one.
I just got a new one. My E-tap busting down our door. Yeah, get shot glasses.
So we're gonna have some shots with.
Are you ready? I'm about to pour it.
Yeah.
There's no fun in eating fried chicken without drinking soda.
This is correct.
Alright? Cheers up. Digging.
So what do we have? This one is.
So we have the snow garlic spicy drumsticks.
Alright.
And this one is a snow onion.
Snow onion wings.
Right?
This one is the half chicken garlic soy spring onion. And this one is the red hot or hottest, spiciest gizzard. Smoked chicken dog.
So,
Just gotta try this right here.
yeah. Crunchy, spicy.
Hits the spot every time.
Exactly.
Waffle fry. Can't go wrong with waffle fry.
Let me get some of that snow onion wing. Eat. It's a nice creamy mayo-based sauce. It's cold and it goes really well with hot wings. Sweet and hot with that spicy marinade makes it so good.
Wow.
People also want the onions, but man, the sweet onions, it makes it. I mean,
So typically when I eat this, it's a little too spicy for me. And when I want to jump to another flavor, I need to clear my palate.
Yeah.
Okay, I take a mu, which is Korean radish. And once I bite into it, it clears my whole palate. The spiciness is gone. It takes away everything that I don't want.
Yeah.
Okay.
The great thing about this is there's no sugar in here.
Yeah.
But it's super sweet. It has a little bit of tangy from that vinegar marinade. It's really good. And it tastes really, really good between bites.
Okay guys, so make sure come check them out. I'm gonna leave their information for the location in the description box, so when you come, make sure and tell them that you saw my video, so you came to visit, and let me know down below when you try it what you think. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.